Hello everybody, this is Dr. Mu-tor Flood back with another video. This video today is going to be on how to use Reciteworks and how to send it to me when you are turning in your papers. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you are going to go onto a school computer. Please do not use MacBooks or in other kinds of computers. The best way to do this is to go onto the school computer and you're going to type in Reciteworks and it'll take you to Reciteworks. And what you're going to do is you're going to log in. Remember, you have to pay for the Reciteworks. Otherwise, they're not going to check all of your references. So you have to pay for the subscription. All right, you got to pay for the subscription. So once you're logged in, so it looks like I'm logged in right now. All right, you are going to press check now. And then you're going to make sure that you have APA 7th edition. All right, and you're going to upload a paper or your paper, right? I'm going to choose my own paper. Down here, it'll say that this is the document that you had selected. Then you're going to press on check. And what you'll see here is three things. You'll see in-text citations, all right, and it'll show in-text citations. It'll also show a reference list, and it'll show annotated article. I don't need anything for the annotated article. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press on this triangle here, all right, to open the in-text citations. Now, what I'm going to press here, I'm going to make sure that show only issues is checked, show style warnings is checked, and show possible citations are checked for the in-text citations. And what do I see here? I see there's a possible citation issue. Now you're going to get that if you're doing your papers correctly. All of your papers have title pages. On the title pages there are dates. When you put in the correct date, as you should, it is going to get flagged on Reciteworks as if it is a citation error or a possible citation error. It is not. All right, so as long as it is not an actual error, you don't have to do anything about this. Right? But if there were other citations, all right, that they said that you needed to check as per the other video that I just showed, well, you do have to correct those things. If you send me a Reciteworks where either the in-text citations have citations that need correction or the reference section has references that need corrections, well, when you submit it to me, I'm not going to check your paper. I'm going to give you a 0. Before you send your paper to me, you're also going to send me your Reciteworks, and the Reciteworks should be corrected. All right, it should be corrected. So I'm also going to press on the triangle right here to open up the reference list. The reference list always should say 0 out of however many references you have. This one I only have one reference, and it shows me what that reference is right down here. All right, let's see. Also, before I forget, for the in-text citations, any date that you put anywhere in the paper will possibly could be flagged as a citation error. I can see those clearly once you list out the in-text citations. And I could ascertain and make sure that those aren't actual issues. It is when you have actual citation issues that becomes a problem that you need to actually fix. All right, and so once you do this, you are going to open up the snipping tool on the desktop computer, on the school's computer, on your laptop. So I'm going to go right here and I'm going to press SNIPING tool. And this snipping tool comes up and I'm going to click onto it. And this little box will appear here. I'm going to press on New. And as you can see, the background of the web page becomes lighter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cursor with the cross on it, and I'm going to drag and drop it to cover the things that I want to copy. And so I want to copy this. All right. And so now I have a copy of the in-text citations and all of the reference lists. All right. And I'm going to press copy. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a Microsoft Word document. So I'm going to press this right here to open up a new Microsoft Word document. And then press on blank document. And then I'm going to paste what I copied in the snipping tool or on the snipping tool onto my Microsoft Word document. And voila, here you go. Here is the Reciteworks on a Microsoft Word document. Now make sure that I could see this when you send it to me. And one way you can do that is if you click onto the picture, you can extend the picture so that it becomes more visible. If you have, and as you will, you're going to have a lot more references. If your references go beyond the page, well, you should break the references up into two different parts and just paste part one on the first page and the second part on the second page. And then what you're going to do is you are going to save this particular document and you're going to submit that to me along with your paper. And that is it. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the YouTube comment section, or you could come to me after class or before class and we can discuss the video and what is expected of you. Thanks, and have a great day.